Beware of these 4 regulations and standards before using AI in pharma manufacturing. As AI adoption accelerates across pharmaceutical manufacturing, the potential for faster batch releases and higher yields comes with risks such as black box decision-making, model drift, and compliance breaches. In a highly regulated environment, deploying AI without a solid regulatory foundation can quickly lead to costly recalls or FDA warning letters. To harness AI safely and effectively, pharma manufacturers must navigate 4 critical standards and regulatory frameworks that define compliant AI today. 1. FDA's existing CGMP regulations. Existing CGMP regulations apply to AI-generated outputs without exception. Rather than creating entirely new laws, the FDA uses established rules like 21 CFR Parts 210 and 211 to hold AI systems accountable. Under their latest framework, the rigor required for your AI model depends heavily on its specific context of use and its level of influence on regulatory decisions, meaning the greater the AI's impact on product quality or safety, the higher the burden of credibility and validation you must prove. 2. EU's Annex 22 and the static versus probabilistic distinction. The EU draws a strict line under Annex 22, its dedicated GMP draft for AI. It divides systems into 2 clear categories: static, deterministic models that produce fixed outputs from identical inputs, and adaptive, probabilistic models that evolve with new data, including most Gen AI and LLMs. Under Annex 22, only static models are allowed in critical GMP operations that impact product quality or purity, excluding adaptive AI from core manufacturing decisions by design. 3. The FDA-EMA Joint Position, 10 Principles for Convergence. The FDA and EMA jointly issued 10 guiding principles for good AI practice, establishing a shared global blueprint for compliant AI across the entire product lifecycle. While non-binding for now, these principles signal where future binding laws are headed, focusing heavily on human-centric oversight, risk-proportional validation, transparency, and data governance to ensure international regulatory harmony. 4. The standards body layer. Finally, industry standards turn high-level regulatory expectations into practical execution. The ISPE GAMP AI Guide provides the actionable blueprint for validating AI-enabled GXP systems across their lifecycle, while ISO/IEC 42001 serves as the overarching auditable AI management system. Together, these frameworks help pharma manufacturers solve a growing structural challenge: managing regulatory liability in-house while operating complex AI tools built by external suppliers and tech partners. Are you concerned your AI might be a regulatory risk? Read our white paper, The AI Never Told Us: Lessons from the First FDA Warning Letter on AI Misuse.